Alright, good morning. Today is what? The 9th of February already. We're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500 and had a really good trade in bonds this morning. The S&Ps, as opposed to trading the S&Ps on the open and going long, I actually went long the SSO ETF and actually caught a majority of this run. So again, if we look at the SSO, let me put that on quick. Alright, so we're looking at the SSO right now. So basically, and this was in a different account, this was in an Interactive Brokers, actually a retirement account. So we bought the SSO, again, which mirrors the S&P 500, right? It's a 2-for-1 ETF. So we bought this at 50, 65, and got out of it actually right in here. First made this high, pull back. Next at 51, I believe it was 64. So that was a good run. I wish I'd bought the S&Ps, but I was buying the SSO to catch that run. And if the market had pulled back a little bit more from this level, I would have bought more actually. But I was anticipating a move to the upside, and that's what we got. So that was a good trade there. Let's move it to the S&P. Well, this looks just like the S&Ps. I'm going to move on the S&Ps. I'm actually a bond trade is setting up shortly, and I want to capture that for you. A short trade. I thought the S&Ps may set up in here, but they didn't. Here, let me just hold on. All right, I am back, and I'm looking to buy this. Let's go. Let's look at this at 40. 40 and a half, if we can get 40 and a half. Alright, 40 and a half is where I'm looking to buy this thing. See if we can pull back, a little pullback, come on. Come on. I'll be back shortly. Here we go. There we go, let's see if we get it. Oh, we got long. Alright. First profit target, let's take 3 off at 42 3/4. We'll take 3 off at 42 3/4. Look at that. Look at that. Already there, folks. 42 3/4. 42 3/4. Let's go. Almost. Oops. Gotta cancel this. Okay. 42 3/4. Let's see, 42 3/4. There we go. There we go. Also, short bonds. Let's see if we can get that as well. Short bonds at 166.03. We'll see what we get. We'll see if we come out. We got a rally up in the S&Ps, bring bonds down a bit. So we've come up to half. We're looking at 3/4 as just 3. We'll have 3. Alright, I'm still working this trade. Been in here a while. I just missed getting long at 34 3/4. Market traded down to 34. Actually traded down to 34 1/4. I was looking at 33 3/4 rather, and missed that trade. But I still got my profit target of 3 at 42 3/4. Watching this indicator very closely. I will be back shortly. Alright, I am back, and my profit target was finally hit. I'm just upset that I missed this trade down in here. So my profit target got hit. We've got 2 contracts left. Alright, we've got 2 left. So what are we going to do? That's the thing. So we took 3 off. We've locked in $337.50. We're up 225 on the current position. And I am going to go break even on the remainder. Where is this? 40 and a half. So look at this. This is markets rallying. Let's see. We've just taken out a few of these highs. I'm going to actually go. I'm going to go to 41 1/4. I'm going to trail it 2 points below current value of 43 1/4. I'm going to go to 41 1/4. At least lock something in the remainder. Look at that. 43 3/4. 44. So I'm going to go to 42. Sell at 42. All right. There we go. 42. Locking in 1.5. Look at this. 44, 44. So now we're rallying. This is nice. We got 44 1/2, 44 and a half. Oh, look at this, 3/4. Nice. We're getting a nice move, folks. Look at this. Great short trade on the bonds as well. I'm going to show you that. And that was actually done in another account, not TradeStation, unfortunately. Look at this, 46 and a half, 46 and 3/4. All right, so I am back. Look at this market take off. I love it. I love it. Let's just get rid of this. This is a really good trade now. I just wish I had gotten filled. I gotta cancel that order. I don't know what's going on. Okay, there we go. So here we go. Here we go. That's a nice trade. Nailed this. So again, long at 40 and a half. Okay, went against us. We were looking to buy more here, missed it. We're getting a rally. We're going to go up to 45 and a quarter now. Sell 45 and a quarter. Sell stop. You know what? I'm gonna let's just go 45 and a quarter. Right there. You should see it pop in. There we go. 45 and a quarter. I'll be back. All right, so I am out. As you can see here, the market took me out, and at the 45 and a quarter right there. So again, bought it right in here. We were looking to get long in here, missed that trade to average in to bring it down to here. So we took first profit target here of 3 contracts and 2 contracts here. Not bad, $812.50. And let me just show you a bond trade as well that I put on. So let me flip the chart real quick for you. All right, I am back, and let me just show you what I did in bonds today. I shorted it here. Both of these levels were resistance levels coming up from the low of the day, right? We had a big down move. We were actually short earlier in the day and caught some of that, a minimum of 5 ticks, as you've heard me say 1,010,000 times. Again, it wasn't done in the in my TradeStation account, though. I've done this in my Interactive Brokers. So we had a good trade to the downside, and then when the market hit the low, first support level was, well, I was a little premature on this one, but I shorted at 166.03, and I shorted again at 166.08. So in this first trade here, ended up breaking even. And on this trade, the 08, I took the 5 at 166.03, right? So 03, I shorted 03, so that was a break even, right? This one was a break even. All right, and this short from 08 was +5. All right, and actually down in here, there was a good trade setup. Again, being a little conservative and not being as aggressive as I should be, I should have at least got my foot in the water down in here, because I had seen that it really looked like it wanted to turn down in here, and I missed this move to the upside, so that was really frustrating. But I should have caught at least a 5 on a portion and 10 on another portion. This was a really good setup down in here, but again, I kind of hemmed and hawed a little bit, and I hesitated. It did not catch that up move. So yes, that was very frustrating. So a nice trade here, and so that's all we have here. So be sure to watch. We've got a webinar going on tonight, Craig and I, so sign up for that if you haven't gotten an email, but we may be doing a couple this week. So, but the first one is tonight for sure. Hope to see you there. Bye.